All right, so I recently found a flip video camera from the 2010s, and I have about 30 or so files. And what I did, and what I want to label them and put them into folders, and use AI to, instead of going through all these, separate out. I had a concert I went to. It was Phoenix at the Tower Theater. I have some piano playing. I probably have some miscellaneous stuff. So I labeled some of the piano playing. I labeled the Phoenix, one of the Phoenix shows. So the key is to label a couple, so that kind of trains the model. And then what we want to do is give access to that folder. So you see, I go into the flip video camera. All right, and this is it now has access to all the files. And what I want to do is just create a prompt that explains basically what I want. Please label and organize these videos into different folders. Please name the videos, and labeling just a couple will help train the model to understand what is what, especially if you have a lot that looks, things that are similar, and label them the best you can. So let's get rolling here. And now we can see it's thinking and it's going through all the labeling, going through all the metadata. And what this is going to accomplish is you're going to see the end result here. Yeah, it's not like the quickest thing. You could go and, make yourself, get yourself a beverage and come back. And overall, this took about 5 minutes to do, obviously cutting through a little bit of this. But this is all normal. I just want to show you the commands and what it's going to look like. And all right, so overall, this is going to take about 5 minutes. The video is going to be shorter with the instructions. But this is just normal stuff you see. So what you want to look on the right, it will start showing the instructions. That's a great sign and a green flag when you see the list of instructions that it has. All right, so it's complete. We have 30 videos. We have 9 videos from the concert. We have 10 videos of piano playing, and we have some miscellaneous. And hey, it's not a bad place to start. And obviously it has the date. So we have some other videos. It's organized by date. I think I know what those videos are. And yeah, so we can organize those other videos, and we have video data labeling. And here's the end result. That's the Phoenix concert. It says full show. That's not the full show. But that's the longest one. And then you have some piano playing. I won't torture you with that. And yeah, the other videos which we can go through and label, but it's nicely done. It's by year and by date, so I have an idea of what they are, and we can go and label those. And there you go. That's using Claude Cowork for more efficient work.